Brian, and to anyone else that's going to be watching this, my name is Philip Elliott. I'm a DT 508 student, and I created the Connect 4 game for my final assignment. Um, One of the main things I tried to strive for with my game was to create a very effective code that minimized the line count. I know it's not really, those two don't really go hand in hand most of the time, but I was just trying to keep it down as much as possible. So I looked up several methods that might be able to help me out with it. So I found one thing that was really interesting. It was called shorthanding if and else statements. And what I found out and how to do, I'll show you now in this demonstration. So what we have here is my example. So it's a basic, like, is A greater than B? If it is, just print out the line. But there's 10 lines of code that goes into this, and I want that does not acceptable for me. I want it all compacted into a single line. So how do we do that? How we do that is we remove all of this code, delete, just throw it out the window, and then up in the string output we will start using the shorthanded version of our code. So if A is greater than B, then print A. So this is kind of like, this is the first line of the code. This is the if A is greater than B, print this. Now the else is represented with a colon. Sorry, a colon, not a semicolon. And then we do the same thing again. So is this the code that we want? So we got B is greater than A, then print B. Now for our last line of code, we will just put, for our last word of code really is we put another colon, so else print same. So this is the exact same amount of code that we had previously, except it's compacted into a single line. So that's basically it. It'll print out A because it's the bigger. However, if we change this to 3, it'll print out B. And if we change both of them to 3, it's the same. Thank you very much for watching watching me show off my crappy code. Anyway, thank you. Bye.